introduction to finding buyers with Apollo's B2B database. Apollo has the most accurate, complete, and verified contact database in the world.
What if one tool could find your prospect, call them, and follow up automatically, all without leaving a single tab? Welcome to SaaS Trac. Today we are diving into a tool that has become a powerhouse in the world of sales and email marketing, Apollo.io. If you're looking for a platform that combines lead generation, engagement, and deep workflow automation into a single dashboard, this is one you need to see. Let's jump into the details. Apollo.io, the all-in-one sales solution. This platform allows you to find and engage your future customers in minutes, helping you book more meetings, shorten your sales cycle, and enrich your existing contacts. It starts with the data. Apollo provides access to the most reliable information in the market, featuring over 220 million contacts and 30 million companies worldwide. You can quickly retrieve verified email addresses, direct dials, and mobile numbers from this extensive B2B database. Target your future customers with laser precision using sophisticated advanced filtering and personas to find the perfect list of prospects currently in the market. You can easily create target lists and send emails directly from Apollo or push your data to Salesforce, HubSpot, Outreach, Salesloft, and other tools. Moving into the workflow engine, Apollo is designed to build a quick and clear sales process. By combining the benefits of prospecting, engagement, and workflow management into a single workspace, the platform becomes much more than just a database. The beauty of this system is that everything is available in one place. From the navigation tabs at the top of your screen, you can access Search to prospect, Engage to connect with your contacts, and Enrich to keep your data updated. You get a cohesive view across your leads, your team, and your various sales plays. The Apollo Chrome extension. To make things even more efficient, the Apollo Chrome extension works everywhere you do. Whether you are on LinkedIn, Gmail, Google Calendar, or Salesforce, you can unlock the power of Apollo without switching tabs. When using LinkedIn, the extension allows you to access verified data like direct mobile numbers and email addresses. You can add people to lists, click to call, or add them directly to email sequences while you browse profiles. In Gmail, the extension helps you add email templates quickly, track when prospects open or click your messages, and set reminders to follow up. It also integrates natively with Salesforce, allowing you to view a contact's full Apollo profile and log tasks or calls straight from your CRM. Engagement and task management. As a seller, your task list can get overwhelming. Apollo's Task Manager helps you build a clear process for calling leads, reaching out on LinkedIn, or writing manual emails. You can work through your entire to-do list from one central location. The platform also features a one-click dialer to help you speed through calls. Interestingly, it allows for live collaboration. You can join an active call with a coworker to coach them or help close a deal. You can view all live calls by clicking the Engage tab and selecting the Active Calls section, Analytics, and custom dashboards. Analytics are your single source of truth here. You can identify where you're winning and uncover areas for improvement using pre-built reports on messaging effectiveness, team performance, and ROI. You can also combine these reports into custom dashboards. This allows you to see things like which personas are opening your emails most often, the best times to call prospects based on connect rates, and which subject lines are performing the best, all in a single view. Workflow automations. One of the most powerful features is the rules engine. This allows you to automate manual jobs, such as adding or removing contacts from sequences and updating account stages based on specific triggers. For example, you can set a rule so that if a VP of marketing opens an email more than 3 times, Apollo automatically creates a call task for you. This always-on technology ensures no opportunity falls through the cracks. Reminders and scoring. Apollo provides 3 key types of alerts. Job change alerts notify you when prospects enter the market at new companies. Safe search alerts send new leads matching your criteria straight to your inbox. Finally, email alerts keep you updated on real-time engagement. To help you focus on the right people, the scoring engine prioritizes accounts and contacts based on your ideal customer profile. You can define a scoring model and assign numerical values to criteria, so the database automatically ranks the best leads for you to go after. Security and admin controls. For managers, Apollo is engineered for security. It is SOC 2 Type 1, certified and GDPR compliant. In your settings, you can configure compliance safeguards to protect your brand during prospecting efforts. You can also set up territories to define which contacts specific users can prospect within. Furthermore, permission profiles allow you to maintain different levels of access and roles across your entire team, integrations, and API. Finally, Apollo integrates with an extensive list of platforms. It offers bi-directional sync with Salesforce and HubSpot and connects with engagement tools like Outreach and Salesloft. It also supports Gmail, Outlook, LinkedIn, and thousands for teams needing deeper customization. Apollo's API provides programmatic access to the database, allowing you to search, enrich, and manage workflows within your own custom systems. This concludes our high-level look at the features within Apollo's workflow engine. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, telling us which feature impressed you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Trac for more deep dives and follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to stay connected with our community and get the latest SaaS news. Check the tool link in the video description to see it for yourself. We will see you in the next video.